ready to transform your Notion expertise into a thriving side hustle. We're diving into creating and selling Notion templates that people will actually pay for. First, identify a problem you can solve. What Notion setups have you built that saved you time or got you organized? Think project management, personal finance, content planning, anything with a clear benefit. Now, start building your template. Structure it logically, use clear headings, and include sample data to show users how it works. Functionality is key, so incorporate databases, relations, formulas, and sensed blocks to make it truly useful. Next, design for visual appeal. Choose a consistent color palette, use relevant icons, and add a professional cover image. A visually appealing template is more likely to catch a buyer's eye. Once your template is complete, create a compelling sales page within Notion itself. Clearly describe the benefits, showcase screenshots or a video walkthrough, and offer a free preview or limited version. Finally, choose a platform to sell your template. Gumroad, Etsy, and even your own website are great options. Price it competitively, promote it on social media and Notion communities, and provide excellent customer support.